I am Vijay Kaul. I am a retired colonel from the army from Corps of Engineers. We got this premises in 1985. Over the years, after staying here in this premises, in this house, which is situated on second floor, we did not have the facility of a lift. We did not realize that this was little odd because we were capable of going up and down easily. Our mother could go down and come up for her routine walks, etc. But of late, my mother was not able to climb the staircase and it was difficult for her to go down. So she was confined to her room and bed and she was denied the normal walks in the lawn, etc. So of late, we too realized that we are aging and it was becoming difficult for us to go the use the steps to go up and down number of times in a day. So around a year and a half back, we were searching for a possible mechanism which could help us in negotiating the staircase. One day, sitting and browsing on the net, I came to know and saw the Nibav lift. Being an engineer myself, immediately I see the plus points of the system on which Nibav lifts are based on. We use it, the lift, quite often, and it has helped us in a lot of maneuverability and bringing stuff up and down. For all those who might be planning to get this lift, even if it fails, say for example, a light failure or some other defect, the lift is quite capable of safely taking us down at the ground floor comfortably. The safety arrangements are very good. There's hardly any chance, as I can see and what I have gone through the literature and little bit experience, the safety factors are quite good. When the lift goes down, it does not consume any electric energy. So that balances it out. And I would recommend that small families or people with elderly parents at home and those who themselves are have to avoid staircase steps, for them it is a very good lift arrangement. Wish you all the very best. Thank you. Namaskar.